In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a PayPal.me link. If you need to share a quick payment link with someone, PayPal.me makes that easy. Your PayPal.me link is a personalized link connected to your PayPal account, and once you know where to find it, you can copy and share it whenever needed. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look inside your PayPal account. Start by going to your PayPal account summary page and signing in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the upper area of the page for the gear icon. This gear icon is your shortcut to account settings, and that's where you'll need to go first. Click on the gear icon to open your settings. After that, you'll be taken into your account settings or profile area. Here, you'll see information related to your account details. What you want to do now is look just below your name. In that section, you should see your PayPal.me link displayed. That link is the one you can use to receive payments more easily. Instead of giving someone multiple account details, you can simply share your PayPal.me link with them. It's a cleaner and faster option, especially if you send it often to clients, customers, friends, or family. If you don't immediately notice it, take a careful look in the profile section under your name, since that's where it appears. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on updates to PayPal's interface, but the general location should remain in that same account settings or profile area. Once you've found the link, you can copy it and save it somewhere convenient if you plan to use it regularly. For example, you might keep it in your notes, add it to an invoice, or paste it into a message when someone needs as a direct way to pay you. Just make sure you only share it with the people you intend to send it to. So, to recap, open your PayPal account, click the gear icon to access settings, then look below your name in the profile area. That's where your PayPal.me link will be shown. And that's all it takes to find your PayPal.me link. Once you know where it is, it becomes very quick to access whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.